सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके गौरी नारायणी नमोऽस्तुते।
Hi, all the masters. It is not only the PSSM, all over globe. Happy Dasara to everybody. Dasara is nothing but take an inner journey. We all know, all the meditators know about this, but they have to practice. Practice is more important than knowing. Knowing is okay. Everybody knows that meditation is very good. We have 5 indriyas, 5 jnanendriyas, karmendriyas. Everybody knows about this theory. But are we following it? Are we doing it? Are we cleansing it every year or every day basis? No, nothing. So we have always pointing out to others. Better we know about ourselves first, because we don't understand ourselves. Even though you understand inner self, you deny to know that we have bad thoughts, we have bad karmas, we have all that. We deny that. It is not correct. We have to accept what we are now. We have to clean what we are now. So for everything, this Dasara, Navaratri, this is 9 days of fight is only because for that. That is what is necessary in this time now. Because COVID has given a lot of time for us to clean ourselves at home. That is why this came. Otherwise, all over the globe, never came. 100 years back it came. Now again, because it is earth said, this is too much. So it has given us lot of time to clean ourselves, clean our mind, clean our soul, clean our all the negative and bad thoughts. Because everybody will have, even I will have. It is nothing separate, because it is like that. Because from childhood we are seeing many things. Childhood we are interacting with people, so we know some things, and some incidents will get registered in your mind. So clean that, forgive that. So like that you will clean yourself and you will have happy life in future. And every year this comes, but are we doing the same thing? No. Now we know about meditation. Now we know what is soul, what is spirit, what is what. So we have to implement what we know till now. Every day we will know some knowledge, some point, some message, some concept. So go with that concept and know about it, go deeper and clean it and cleanse it and do it in a proper way without any distinctions, because it is me, it is what, I am so and so, I am so and so. No, everybody is so and so in their houses. So be clean. Hara means killing. So as I know, Panchendriyas and Jnanendriyas, these are Dasha, 10. All these 10 we have to clean ourselves. So that is what is Dasara means, as far as I know. So lot of feminine energies are spreading in these 9 days, because everybody is worshipping Durga. So Durga means nothing as is a Shakti, energy, feminine energy, pure feminine energy. Durga is killing, she is trying to kill what is inside of every female's mind. Killing means cleansing. Our inner soul, our inner thoughts, our verbal speech, all these things. Why don't you stop talking? So, yeah, it is not a time pass. When you talk something, you can't take back. When you do something, you can't revise it. You can't do it. So, be clear to what you are thinking, what you are doing, what you are talking. So all these three, if they are same, like Patrisar is the icon for that. He is the master. He is everything. He is teaching everything. going around 365 days. Every hour he is teaching. He is not sleeping in the night as you think. He is not sleeping in the night. He is teaching lot of things. We have to take when it is ready. Our body, our mind, for us, a super master came into this world so that we clean ourselves. And he is teaching how to clean. Meditate, 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 contemplate what we have done all the day, what we have thought all the day. Try to think in the night. Give 5 minutes what we have done, what we have to do, how to clean ourselves, how to rewind it. Rewind your thoughts so that you will know what you have done last day and what you are going to do next day. So, like that, every day is learning, 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 learning. Then only you will become like master, like Buddha, like Patriji, like Mahavatar Babaji. Like Mahavatar Babaji is none other than a super energy. That is super energy. That energy spreads when we are ready. So when we make yourself ready, when you go out, you clean your body, decorate yourself, then only you will go out. Like that, when you are ready, then only masters will accept you. You should be ready. Masters are not all the time ready for you. You have to be ready. Then master automatically will come. Dasara is for us, for feminine energies, and super happy Dasara for everybody. Thank you.